Hi everybody, my name is Nick Smith, Senior Sales Associate here at AppointLink. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how to schedule exams into certain rooms. So what I'm going to do first is click on our Beyond IPO exam, the original one represented by blue. And we're going to get those details, but this time we're going to look at room details. We can see the room is unassigned. If I click on that blue edit button, I get a drop-down bar. I'm going to select room 106. We can see that it has a capacity of 31 seats, and I'm going to click assign room. And just like that, Monday at 9 a.m.'s Beyond the IPO exam will be taken in room 106. Now it looks like we have 3 accommodated exams also taking that Beyond IPO at 9 a.m. If I click on Ann Davis here, we could do the same thing. On assigned room, edit, we could place her into a room doing that as well, or I can jump over to the second box up here. The second box, again, is just a different view at our exam period. We can see that previously assigned Beyond IPO exam within room 103 with 31 seats. And then we can see our 3 accommodated students taking that exam at 9 a.m. with unassigned rooms. Again, I just simply click the drop-down bar and select Classroom 01. And since all these students have the same accommodation, I'm going to say it's safe to say we're going to put them in the same room. So just like that, we've placed our 3 accommodated students taking Beyond IPO into Classroom 1 at 9 a.m., where the original is in Classroom 106. The last view that we have here is the room view. I'm going to click on that. Again, you can see here, we're looking at Monday, August 21st. You can see Monday at 9 a.m. in room 106, we have Beyond IPO, whereas room 01, we have our accommodated students. Now down here, we can see a couple exams at noon haven't been assigned to a room yet. Down here, we have select room. I'm just going to pick one of these rooms here, add that room. And just like that, we've added room 05 to this view. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop our original Advanced Corporate Finance exam into Classroom 05 at noon. And you're going to see that that accommodated exam is going to follow. So I'm going to drop it in there, and the accommodated exam should follow. Now we could move this accommodated exam over to 3 o'clock or back to 9 in that same Classroom 05, or again, we could add another room. Maybe we want to add Conference 03 with a capacity of 24 seats. We want to place student Terry Flynn, who needs 6 hours to take the exam, into noon in Conference Room 03. So thanks for watching this video. In the next video, we're going to look at how students can sign into this software and view their own exam schedules. They can see where they're supposed to be, their accommodations that they're receiving, exam IDs if you'd like us to provide those. So stay tuned for that next video. Thanks for watching.